Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. Weaker wholesale beef demand through late winter and early spring has transitioned to better demand in May and June. As discussed last week, improving beef prices over the last 60 days have been mostly due to higher middle meat values. End and thin meat struggle to find bids, and ground beef values are also weaker. Demand for 90% lean beef trimmings is a good indicator for ground beef demand. Of course, a variety of lean trimming mixes supply U.S. consumers with hamburger, but 90s remain a critical component in that market. Demand for 90% lean beef trimmings is currently down 1.5% through May. Demand in January was 5.5% higher than a year ago, with consumption up 3% and real price up nearly 1%. However, demand has lost ground since that time. In May, per capita consumption was estimated to be up 3%, while prices were down more than 15%. Demand has been mostly weaker as the market has struggled to absorb the additional supply. Non-fed beef production from cows and bulls is up nearly 4% through May, while imports have been up more than 3%. Weaker demand suggests wholesale buyers have struggled to pass the additional ground beef onto consumers compared to 2012. CattleFax expects demand to be mostly weaker than a year ago through the summer, but better lean beef demand seems likely by late year. Tighter supplies could also lead to better price support by late year. Processors are currently working through the supply increase, but possibly face tighter cow and bull availability by fourth quarter. The 90s market is closely correlated with the cull cow and bull market. These expectations could still change as the year progresses. However, the cull cow and bull market could find better price support into late year than a typical seasonal price break suggests, if these fit the current fundamentals. The fed cattle market traded mostly $2 per hundredweight lower this week. In the South, feed yards traded cattle at mostly $120 per hundredweight on a live basis, while feedlots in the North sold cattle at $121 live and $195 per hundredweight dressed. Feeder cattle values were steady to $2 per hundredweight stronger, while calf prices were steady to $2 lower. Auction markets continue to feature lighter offerings, and the summer market maintains a firmer undertone. Slaughter cows were uneven to $2 per hundredweight lower amid still ample supplies. The boxed beef cutout ended the week lower as values weakened with demand following the Memorial Day, and additional end cut and trim supplies pressured prices. Corn was lower for the week as planting concerns faded, and the USDA report was mostly uneventful. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Become a member at CattleFax.com.
Corn was